Magpapal pa tayo, di, meron akong maliliit yung di kulay ko, meron ba ako?
The what?
Magpapal pa tayo, hindi na.
No.
Magpapalit tayo ng...
Oo. Hindi, guguhitan ko na lang. Meron pa ba tayong papel?
Meron po yung Jason.
You have 2 more? O, yun pala, okay. Oo. Ngayon pa.
Ceasefire. Unload all firearms, remove the magazines, open all axes and lock them open. Place all long guns in the racks. Handguns on the benches with the slides locked back. Cylinders open, magazines out, and muzzle pointed down range. Once you clear all your firearms, step away from those shooting benches. Wait for clearance to go down range behind that yellow line. As a reminder, once we clear them, there's no handling of any
Oh.
firearm for any reason.
Get the staplers.
Pwede na?
No, they'll tell you. Nag-check pa eh. So, do you have 8? 4 here and 4 there?
Opo. So, pukulin pa natin, hindi na.
But no, we save those.
So, tanggalin natin.
Yeah.
Then, babalik natin daw.
Yeah, we will save those. Those are something unusual. I will say unusual. Yes. First time Glock shooter, and then first time 45 shooter. Wow.
First honorable mention.
Bullseye.
Attention rifle shooters at 50 and 100 yards.
Naiwanan na si
Do
Emma.
not fire someone that numbers down range or within 6 inches of a vertical post. All shooters are now cleared to go down range to base category 3 target. Once you're through, you can right back where you were.
Stapler. Baka may mauna.
Once again, do not handle an uncased firearm or any
Tanggalin natin, ano?
Teka muna, kukunan ko muna ng ano.